Well, that's like a workout and a half. There we have it, mystery meat by V2LAB. It was awesome, one of a kind meat. Definitely got our steps in. Thankfully I'm not too sore, but your boy definitely got a little bit of burnt. Thankfully it wasn't that hot. It was mildly hot with the sun shining. I would have been Larry the Lobster. Your boy already felt the crispness. But anywho, it was definitely a great event. You had your drag strip, which shitload of cars. Honestly, most sick cars I've ever seen all at once. Like, is insane amount of things to look at. You guys can tell, like, crazy amount of builds. There's a lot to record and take pictures of, so I was just all over the place. Drift event was super cool. You got free ride alongs. You can't beat that, man. For 10 bucks entry and free everything except for like the food. There was a shit ton of people, a lot going on. We didn't do any drifting or anything like that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up. Leave a comment of what your favorite car there was that you've seen, or if you were there and attended, what was the favorite thing you've seen? What did you enjoy? So thank you guys for watching. It's been your boy Rish. I'm out.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.